Catnap Serious Playtime gets grounded. Season 1, get him! Ah! I'm not gonna let you get away. Ha! You don't hit me. Today's episode is Catnap and Brownie Fox fed AUTTP squirrels moch with an air horn / grounded. Enjoy the show. Haha, this is gonna be sweet. Oh, Catnap and Brownie Fox fed AUTTP. You're much mature. Oh, get out! Fine, whatever you say. Okay. Uh-oh, I gotta run. Get back here! You better watch out, you better go, because the green robot is after you. You better watch out, because the war is gonna get you down, you fool. You in so much trouble. How dare you scare me? That's it, you're so grounded. The end. Shut up. No, you shut up.